Music for a child's heart, body, and mind.
Safe and Calm from Brain Boogie Boosters by The Learning Station.
Lie down or sit in a comfortable position. Slowly close your eyes. Let your arms gently relax by your side or in your lap. Notice your breath flowing in and out. Each breath says, I am safe and I am calm. I am safe and I am calm. Slowly place your hands on your belly. Breathe in, have your belly go out. Breathe out, have your belly go in. Breathe in, have your belly go out. Breathe out, have your belly go in. Breathe in, have your belly go out. I'm safe. Breathe out, have your belly go in. I'm calm and full of love. Relax your feet. Feel them melt. Relax your legs. Feel them melt. Thank your legs for their gifts. Relax your arms. Feel them melt. Relax your hands. Feel them melt. Thank your hands for their gifts. Breathe in, have your belly go out. I'm safe. Breathe out, have your belly go in. I'm calm and full of love. Relax your face. Feel it melt. Relax your eyes. Feel them melt. Thank your eyes for their gifts. Gently and slowly open your eyes. Feel the peace down in your soul. You are a gift to the world. Offer that gift to others.
You can get Safe and Calm on Brain Boogie Boosters on CD or full CD download at www.learningstationmusic.com. See the videos playing? You can view them just by clicking. And please become a Learning Station friend and click on the big yellow subscribe button. Follow us on Twitter and Pinterest and like us on Facebook.